everyone, welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be showing you how to complete the house in Alone in the Dark House. So M Booth 2008-19 wanted to be in our intro. So shout out to her, and then we'll have a new contestant called Liv Antlers, but you can call her. You can be called you can call her Chloe. So
yeah, she wants to be in the bed.
Okay, so we're gonna go in the house now.
What is your channel called?
Circle Trinity.
Just put my username.
Right. Okay. So let's move on to the house.
Is it?
Alright, we're going to the house. So, where is she? Huh? Oh.
Oh, she's searching. Yeah.
Where is she?
I think she's up here. She is.
Come. Come. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Just trying to find our friend. Okay, come on in here. She needs to come in here.
Where's my friend? Come on. Wait.
Okay, so I will be explaining how to do this.
Right.
I'm gonna explain how to do it, okay? So first off, you've got to come in here and get this key.
Yep.
Heavy key.
And then you get the key, then there's another room where there will be another key, the silver key. The silver key should look like this.
Then hold right click on the mat and drag it across.
To move it.
And then you come all the way
Go
upstairs
upstairs with the silver key.
and put silver key on this door.
There's one, the way you know it's the right one is because there's a computer.
If you're level 4 or above, grab this circuit.
Yep.
And then grab the circuit from the silver key door. And then head into the basement. By the way, Hayden, let Chloe get her circuit.
It'll glitch sometimes, not all the time.
Let Chloe get her circuit, Hayden. Okay, so then you move these boxes. And you take one over here.
Wait,
and then you get this one. And then you get the box up and put it down here.
And then you run in and click.
Insert your circuits. You don't need to click this, you just run into it with your hand. And then make sure I click the red button before leaving.
Yep. If you
So
see
then,
it get out my house, don't be scared. He will appear here, but so like if you see red eyes, just go back to the bit where you put.
So then head back up. If you are level 4, if you are level 4 or above, the TV will go static.
Yep. Me and Chloe are level 4, and Trini, she is level 8.
Okay. So wait a bit.
Like a minute.
We're still going to wait for a bit longer because last time Chloe got attacked. Because we have tried to post this 3 times. Alright, we said it now. Okay.
And what had it said? What had it swallowed?
Right, let's go out.
Right, open the door. He will be in the kitchen, so you've got to sprint up the stairs.
Sometimes he's in the kitchen, it's not always. So then you come to this
right,
computer.
You tell me the code.
And then you click pictures and save code. Then you get the code 7407.
What?
7407. And then open up. Grab the key from in here.
It will be. No, you know it's the right one because it says Rusty
It's always going to be the
And then
right one in the
brass
safe.
key,
And then you grab the brass key.
which I have, and there will be money.
Open up heavy key door. And make sure you turn the radio off. Grab
And
the
then
matches.
grab the matches. And then go downstairs. Right, let me do the crowbar. Then you'll get a silver key out of the wardrobe. Then you'll go upstairs.
It's not a silver key, but...
Back in the room where the safe is, and open this door. He will spawn in there, so make sure you're quick. And always sprint.
Yeah, it's
As
a
you
steel
can see,
key.
you can't see, but my health has went down.
So, let's go in the basement now.
Right, you just pass me the boxes.
No, I said we've got our parts.
One box.
Okay, thank you. So be careful because the water does kill you on touch. If you touch the water, you're most likely going to die.
Yeah, so make sure you jump.
So then get the boxes up and make sure you put them in here. Don't let the plank glitch out, so I suggest you don't walk on the
So
plank.
if you lift it up, never make sure that you're not standing on it, because that is how it glitches out. Oh my god, it's glitching out. Right, got it.
It's okay, it's okay. Alright, hold on. Give me a second. I need to put the box down. Whoa!
The plank.
I thought I had it. Wait, let me get it, let me get it.
Right, I'll get a jump scare.
Yeah, so when he goes across there, he appears and your health goes down to half.
Yep, the health is on yellow.
So, then you come around here. Let me do this, okay?
Right.
And then you jump
You've
along
got to
here.
go, and the gasoline will be there.
You gotta be extra careful on this bit though.
Yep.
Because they are hard jumps.
Yeah.
They look easy, but they're actually hard. Aw, sorry Chloe. I'm not the one who went across. Okay, hold on. Let me fix these boxes up. Okay. Just jump on the big one. Oh. So then, you come across here. I know.
I need to die this time.
And then you run straight out. Open up the garage door.
Yeah.
And now put the stuff down by clicking. Open up the matches and click. Wait until they burn away and head outside. Don't be scared if he's there, because this is the end.
He does spawn. He will be there. So the people with matches.
Yes, you are, Chloe.
The people with matches should be doing it there.
So, person with matches heads inside.
Right, I'll try get him following me. Yeah, Eric.
If you haven't watched our first video, check that out and you'll basically find something new about the VIP access. So,
You just go inside, I'll get him following me. Yeah, Eric, come for me. Eric, it's time to end this old friend. No, it didn't. This
so at this point, he's going to attack.
is the end for you. No.
He's attacking right now. Oh, he's gone for me.
He went for Trinny. And as you can see,
I ran out of stamina, by the way, guys.
yeah, you might.
I don't
you
think
might
so,
run out of
Eric.
stamina.
Oh, hi. Oh, stupid mannequin blocked my path.
Stupid mannequin, I'll move it.
Careful. Hayden. Oh, my health's on low.
Yeah, Eric, come for me.
Ouch.
Yeah, Eric.
Stupid mannequin, I swear.
The stupid mannequin keeps following me. Hayden, you can't move
If you just tip it over, I guess. It won't get in my way.
Eric, hi Eric. Hey buddy.
It is very hard to set him on fire.
Yep.
It's the end though.
When it says mom, dad. Ah, that means he's dead.
So
Who had the knife?
no one.
Wait, we didn't get the knife?
Don't think so.
Okay. No. Bad minute.
No,
bad.
someone got it.
Alright. Get
I
out the
suggest
knife
you
and click
go
on
to the
melon.
TV room, turn off the TV and put it back on.
Yep.
I'm gonna show you that the crowbar room still the man appears.
Yep, he's still in there.
And he also says you can't stop me.
Yep.
You can't stop me.
He might attack me. He attacked Trini.
Boom. That is the end, and that is how you win. You don't have to die by Eric, of course. We just do that for fun.
Yeah, we just like dying by him.
So then, once you're in the game, you're gonna come over here.
Am I even in your game?
Yeah, you are. You come in here, Prestige Alt R. Click on this.
It will cost money every time you start, but if you're level 0, it will be for free.
As you can see, I don't have enough money to prestige, but that is okay. You can just work for it. That's what the game is about. Right. We'll see you guys. So we'll see you guys later in the next video. Thank you for watching again. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment, hashtag notification squad if you've turned on notifications. Bye.
And if you want to be in the next video, hashtag in the comment section below your username and we might just add you.
Look out for my username on your friends list.
Yeah.
See you soon. Bye.
Bye.